Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty is more than just skin deep. Today, we're checking out a lip product that promises to make a bold statement without the need for constant touch-ups. The Black Radiance Metalicious Lip Sculptor in Pretty Penny. This lip sculptor combines striking pigmentation with a metallic finish that catches the light just right, while also taking care of your lips. The Black Radiance Metalicious Lip Sculptor comes in a sleek cone-shaped stick designed for precision and sculpting. The copper hue, Pretty Penny, brings a warm, metallic sheen to the lips with highly reflective pigments, giving you that rich, multidimensional look. It's enriched with vitamin E and botanical extracts, which means you're not just getting beautiful lips, but hydration and softness too. The formula promises to keep your lips feeling nourished while delivering that intense color payoff. I've been using this lip sculptor for a few days now, and here's how it went. The cone-shaped stick really does make application easy, especially for the Cupid's bow and along the edges of the lips. It's precise, which is key when you're working with such a vibrant metallic finish. What I noticed immediately was how smoothly it glides on. It's a bit creamy without being too slippery. It doesn't tug, and the color goes on in one swipe. The pigmentation, intense, saturated, and noticeable without needing a second layer. Now, let's talk finish. The metallic shine is definitely noticeable. It doesn't have that glittery look some metallic formulas can sometimes give. Instead, it's a smooth, reflective finish that catches the light perfectly. If you're looking for a lip color that commands attention, this does the trick. I've worn it for a few hours, and while it's not transfer-proof, the color stays vibrant, and my lips still feel soft and moisturized. No dryness, which I've experienced with some matte metallic formulas. However, there's one thing to note. While the pigmentation is rich and the finish is beautiful, the metallic effect may not be everyone's cup of tea. If you're not into bold, statement-making lips, this might feel a bit too much for everyday wear. But for those of you who love a pop of color and a metallic vibe, it's definitely something to consider. When it comes to value for money, this lip sculptor hits the mark. At a reasonable price point, you're getting a high-quality product that not only gives you stunning color, but also nourishes your lips. Considering how expensive some lip products with similar claims can be, I'd say it's a solid choice if you're after something that delivers on both performance and care. If you're looking for alternatives, there are some other great metallic lip products out there, though most tend to either be too sheer or too drying. The Black Radiance Metalicious Lip Sculptor strikes a nice balance between pigmentation and hydration, which isn't always easy to find. In conclusion, if you love bold, metallic lip looks and appreciate lip products that don't just look good, but also care for your lips, the Black Radiance Metalicious Lip Sculptor in Pretty Penny is definitely worth trying. It gives you the color payoff you want with the added benefit of hydration, making it a great option for those who want both beauty and comfort in their lip color. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've tried the Black Radiance Metalicious Lip Sculptor, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear about your experiences with this product. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.